To get the ball rolling means taking the first step to start something, or encourage others to join in.
As you know, I'm not doing much right now, work-wise, so I need to start to get the ball rolling.
I haven't started my morning routine.
Wake up 15 minutes earlier tomorrow to get the ball rolling on a consistent routine. I'm unsure where to begin my job search.
Update your resume today to get the ball rolling on finding new opportunities. To get the ball rolling on my travel plans, I started to research potential destinations.
Let the judgment begin. I'll get the ball rolling.
Erin, why don't you get the ball rolling?
Okay. So we both... Right. So we all... This is actually quite hard.
What does the idiom "to get the ball rolling" mean? A. To be excited about something. B. Starting to encourage others to join in. C. Beginning tasks with a clear goal in mind. Idiom for you.